Our usual ingredients at home can take a spicy twist by adding a bit of a kick. Kaya eto, gagawa tayo ng stir-fry spicy Korean beef. Let's start cooking. So eto, beef, yung beef natin pang tapa, beef natin pang beef with broccoli, di ba? Eto, thinly sliced. And eto siya, we will marinate it very simply. Soy sauce, cornstarch, and a bit of black pepper. So ito, we want to stir-fry our beef. And we are adding itong ating cornstarch. Natawag kasi siya na parang velveting. Kasi mag-create siya ng magandang coating around the beef. Put that aside. Now, I will heat up my pan. But while my pan is heating up, gagawin natin yung ating sauce. Ito yung magpapa-Korean sa kanya. So ito, just a bit of water. I will add oyster sauce. Sugar. Ito yung spicy na Korean chili paste, ang Gochujang. And you can even add a bit of soy sauce if you want. Pero may soy sauce na yung ating beef. No? Yan, dissolve natin siya. There, our sauce is ready. I have here a little bit of vinegar also just to, balance it all out. Then, we will add our beef. Yan, diba? Sizzling hot. You see, hindi siya nagtutubig dahil sa ating secret cornstarch. Yan. So, before you add your beef, dapat mainit na mainit yung pan and your oil. Then now, lalagay natin yung ating garlic. Gisa-gisa siya, oh, hindi siya nagtutubig, oh. Yan. And now, it's the time we will add our repolyo. Parang siyang pigar-pigar lang, no, na naging Korean. And now, di ba, ginawa na natin yung ating sauce ahead of time. And pour over. Ito, spicy, sweet. And because, again, may cornstarch sa ating beef, lalapot din siya, no? Di ba, oh? Woo! Napakadali. No? We will just season with a little bit of our black pepper. Yan, konting black pepper. And sesame oil. Alam mo, masarap din to itop sa noodles. So, gagawa ka ng parang udon or yung whatever, egg noodles or kahit na sabi mo sotanghon, ito yung topping mo. Parang it works. No? Simple na simple indeed. Plate it up. Serve with a bowl of steamed rice. Yan. Balance siya. You have your protein, a lot of fiber from your vegetables. Finish with ito, sesame seeds. And ito siya, chopped leeks. Serve this as a side to your favorite samgyeopsal, or you can have it over rice or with noodles. Oh my God. And here it is, our very simple recipe for today. Ating spicy Korean beef with vegetables, with noodles, or with whatever you want. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!